I've never run an online store. I don't know how to code. I wouldn't even know how to find a supplier. If that sounds like you aren't alone. Most people think you need to be a tech genius or a 20-year-old dropshipping prodigy to make money in e-commerce. But in 2026, some of the most successful digital investors are professionals who came from the corporate world with zero previous e-commerce experience. Why? Because they didn't try to build a job. They bought an asset. Today, I'm showing you the exact roadmap to buying a profitable Shopify store, even if you've never clicked Add to Cart on the back end of a website. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they have to do everything themselves. If you try to learn SEO, Facebook ads, product sourcing, and customer service all at once, you'll burn out in a month. The secret to success with no experience is the investor mindset. You don't need to know how to fix the engine, you just need to know how to read the dashboard. When you buy an established business, it already has product market fit. The customers are already there. The suppliers are already shipping. Your job isn't to build the machine, it's to ensure the machine keeps running and growing. You are the CEO, not the warehouse manager. So how do you stay safe when you don't know what you're looking at? You follow 3 no experience rules. 1. Buy boring businesses. Stay away from viral trends. Look for evergreen niches like home goods, pet supplies, or tools. These are stable and easier to understand. 2. Verify the verified. Don't trust a seller's word. Use third-party tools to verify their traffic and profit. If the data doesn't match the story, it's a no. 3. Insist on training. A good seller will offer 30 to 60 days of transition support. They should walk you through every click until you feel confident. If they want to hand over the keys and disappear, that's a red flag. The truth is, even with training, the first 90 days of owning a business can be terrifying if you're doing it alone. That's exactly why trend hijacking exists. We are the bridge for investors with capital but no experience. Our acquisition partnership means we find the deals, we do the 50-point due diligence check, and then, most importantly, we manage the business for you. You get the monthly cash flow and the 2026 growth without having to spend 10 hours a day staring at a screen. Don't let a lack of experience stop you from owning a high-yield asset. Let our experience be your unfair advantage. Let's build your portfolio together.